In from Maharashtra, viewers, the man in the eye of the storm, Ajit Pawar, the Deputy Chief Minister, once again ducked and dodged questions from Times Now when confronted about why his son's name was missing in the Pune land deal FIR. He evaded the hard-hitting questions. Take a look.
पार्थ पवार का है सर पार्थ पवार का है पुलिस स्कैम के बाद सर पार्थ पवार नहीं नजर आ रहे अजीत दादा
नहीं आता बदले होणार नहीं
सर पार्थ पवार कहाँ पर है सर उनके द्वारा कोई स्टेटमेंट क्यों नहीं आ रहा है सर मामले के सामने आने के बाद पार्थ पवार चुप्पी क्यों साधे हुए सर दादा पार्थ पवार चुप्पी क्यों साधे हुए सर दादाजी कामं झाले सर दिग्विजय पाटिल कहाँ पर है सर दिग्विजय पाटिल कहाँ पर है सर दिग्विजय पाटिल की एब्सकॉन्डिंग है सर क्या पार्थ पवार भी एब्सकॉन्डिंग है दादा क्या पार्थ पवार भी एब्सकॉन्डिंग है सर अगर कोई गलती नहीं है तो फिर स्टेटमेंट क्यों नहीं आ रहे सर So you can see Ajit Pawar is not answering our questions, something that is very important and has disturbed the political scenario in the state of Maharashtra. This is shaping the scenario. However, father DCM Ajit Pawar is trying to not take those tough questions. They have been asking constantly that where is Parth Pawar, his son is. Seems like the DCM, the father, is unaware of his whereabouts. We'll try once again. Parth Pawar Ajit Dada. पार्थ पवार कहाँ है सर उनकी तरफ से कोई वर्जन क्यों नहीं आ रहा है सर आपने कहा कि अनियमितताएं हैं जांच की जा रही है पार्थ पवार अजीत दादा you can see Ajit Pawar not taking any questions, some very important ones as to where Parth Pawar is, where his son is. If he is not involved into the said case, then why he is not speaking his part? His father happens to be a DCM. He is taking support, he is giving support to his son. No FIR has been registered against his son. That also remains the question. We'll try to once again seek answer from. Sir, क्या पार्थ पवार भी absconding है? Sir, क्या दिग्विजय पाटिल भी absconding है? अजीत दादा अजीत दादा इंपॉर्टेंट मुद्दा है सर आप जनता के सवाल ले रहे हैं लेकिन जनता का सवाल ये भी है कि पार्थ पवार कहाँ है उनकी तरफ से रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आ रहा है सर क्या FIR होगी अजीत दादा क्या FIR होगी अजीत दादा क्या FIR होगी You can see Ajit Pawar, DCM of the state, is unable to answer all of those questions.
So my colleague Nilesh there tried to seek some answers, but you saw how Ajit Pawar, the Deputy Chief Minister, did not respond. But now we are getting, in fact, a reaction from the Deputy Chief Minister, Ajit Pawar, on this entire case. He has, in fact, said that this transaction should not have happened at all. He also says that when we looked at the documents, the first question that came to mind was, how did the registrar even process this transaction? Is he trying to put the onus now on the registrar? Is the question that many are asking. Joining me on the phone line right now is my colleague Rucha, tracking the story closely. Rucha, so first response there coming in from Ajit Pawar on the FIR issue, why that does not really name his son. And he's also now, it seems, is trying to put the onus on the registrar.
Because we can see how Ajit Pawar, the Deputy CM of Maharashtra, is blaming the entire case on the registrar and is covering up for his son, Parth Pawar, how there is registrar's fault is what Ajit Pawar is now trying to say. Additionally, when we questioned him again and again for third day in line, he did not answer to any of our questions. Even the press conference that he had called was only one way. He only said what he wanted to, did not answer any single question. Also, he is defending his son why his name is excluded from the FIR. He said that because there is no signature of Parth Pawar on any official document, the FIR is not filed against him, which is completely a cover-up. And when we question where Parth Pawar is and why he is not coming to court and answering, and why the Deputy CM is answering on his behalf, the Ajit Pawar can be seen silent on all the questions. Additionally, we can see how the Ajit Pawar is completely silent on the entire issue, on how he's blaming everything on the registrar and saying how did the registrar even process this transaction. And also he mentioned that both the partners, Parth Pawar and Digvijay Patil, were unaware that the land is owned by the Maharashtra government. And yesterday when we questioned him, he said that the transaction has completely been cancelled. The contracts have been called off. Additionally, not a single rupee was used or was spent on this entire contract.
Right.
What he's saying, but which is a complete eyewash on the entire case, and he's dodging all the questions. And also
so if we look at his response, Rucha, then there are 2 points, that catch the attention. One, of course, is that he seems to be putting the blame on the registrar because he's asking how did the registrar even process this transaction. And then he also goes on to say that, he has faced a lot of defamation in his 35 years in politics. Usually such allegations come up just before elections, and once elections are over, they fade away. In a way, trying to suggest that, these are, they've got some kind of agenda behind them. And clearly, it's a very usual templated response that we've got from the Deputy Chief Minister.
Well, of course, Ajit Pawar is mentioning how in his 35 years of career in politics, he has always faced a serious allegation. It may be the Shikhar Bank scam that Ajit Pawar was involved. He had major allegations of black money on him, and after that, when he became part of the Mahayuti government, the allegations faded away. And he also suggests that every time when there are elections coming up, he is blamed in a major case. Similarly, now that there are the municipal corporation elections in line, the Panchayat Samiti elections are on some days ahead, he's saying that this is only trying to defame my son and my entire family. He goes on to say that I have always faced
Right.
such kind of defamation, and these allegations come up before elections and later they fade away.
Right. Rucha, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your input on this. In fact, viewers, once again, let's take a look at this sequence that my colleague Nilesh sent to us, where he was again and again trying to ask questions. Just see how the Deputy Chief Minister responded.
मधीच कसं रे
सर पार्थ पवार का स्कैम के बाद सर पार्थ पवार नहीं नजर आ रहे हैं अजीत दादा
नाही रे आता बदल्या होणार नाही
सर पार्थ पवार कहाँ पर हैं सर उनके द्वारा कोई स्टेटमेंट क्यों नहीं आ रहा है सर मामले के सामने आने के बाद पार्थ पवार चुप्पी क्यों साधे हुए सर दादा पार्थ पवार चुप्पी दादाजी कामं झाले तुम्ही सुचवलेली बरेच सर दिग्विजय पाटिल कहाँ पर है सर सर दिग्विजय पाटिल कहाँ पर है सर दिग्विजय पाटिल की अब्सकॉन्डिंग है सर
अरे नवी गाडी
सर क्या पार्थ पवार भी अब्सकॉन्डिंग है दादा क्या पार्थ पवार भी अब्सकॉन्डिंग है सर अगर कोई गलती नहीं है तो फिर स्टेटमेंट क्यों नहीं आ रहे सर So you can see Ajit Pawar is not answering our questions, something that is very important and has disturbed the political scenario in the state of Maharashtra. This is shaping the scenario. However, father DCM Ajit Pawar is trying to not take those tough questions. They have been asking constantly that there is Parth Pawar, his son is. Seems like the DCM and the father is unaware of his whereabouts. We'll try once again. पार्थ पवार अजीत दादा पार्थ पवार कहाँ है सर सर उनकी तरफ से कोई वर्जन क्यों नहीं आ रहा है सर आपने कहा कि अनियमितताएं हैं जांच की जा रही है पार्थ पवार अजीत दादा you can see Ajit Pawar not taking any questions, some very important ones as to where Parth Pawar is, where his son is. If he is not involved into the said case, then why he is not speaking his part? His father happens to be a DCM. He is taking support, he is giving support to his son. No FIR has been registered against his son. That also remains the question. We'll try to once again seek answer from. Sir, क्या पार्थ पवार भी absconding है? सर क्या दिग्विजय पाटिल भी absconding है? अजीत दादा अजीत दादा इंपॉर्टेंट मुद्दा है सर. आप जनता के सवाल ले रहे हैं, लेकिन जनता का सवाल ये भी है कि 5 पावर कहाँ है, उनकी तरफ से रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आ रहा है. सर क्या एफआईआर होगी अजीत दादा क्या एफआईआर होगी? अजीत दादा क्या एफआईआर होगी? You can see Ajit Pawar, DCM of the state, is unable to answer all of those questions.
And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.